In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a gaming server in Discord step by step. Whether you want a private space for you and your friends, a competitive squad hub, or a full community server for your streaming audience, this guide will walk you through the entire setup from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Discord gaming server ready to customize and invite people to. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Discord tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Discord. You can do this either in your web browser by going to discord.com or by launching the Discord desktop or mobile app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to create the server. Once you're inside Discord, you'll see the main interface with your existing servers listed vertically along the left-hand side of the screen. Now look at the left toolbar where all your servers are displayed. Scroll all the way down if needed, and you'll see a plus icon. This plus icon is what allows you to add a new server. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. As soon as you click it, a new window will pop up asking you how you'd like to create your server. In the Server Creation menu, you'll see several templates. To create a gaming-focused server, click on the option labeled Gaming. This template is designed specifically for gaming communities and comes with pre-built channels that are perfect for voice chat, text chat, and team coordination. After clicking on Gaming, Discord will ask who this server is for. You'll see options like For Me and My Friends or For a Club or Community. If you're creating a private gaming space for your squad, go ahead and click on For Me and My Friends. This keeps things simple and gives you full control over customization and permissions. Next, you'll be prompted to customize your server. Here you can upload a server icon, which could be your team logo, a game-related image, or anything that represents your group. Then enter a name for your server. Choose something clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to grow this into a larger gaming community. Once you've added the name and optional icon, click on Create. At this point, your gaming server is officially live. Discord may ask for additional permissions, depending on whether you're using the desktop or browser version. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions so voice channels and notifications function correctly. Now that your server is created, take a moment to explore the default structure. You'll notice text channels for general chat and game discussions, as well as voice channels where you and your friends can talk while playing. You can click on any channel name to rename it, adjust permissions, or create new channels. If you want to add more organization, you can create categories for different games, such as FPS, RPG, or competitive matches. To invite friends, click on your server name at the top left, then select Invite People. You can copy the invite link and send it directly to your friends. You can also edit the invite link settings to make it expire after a certain time or limit the number of uses for better security. And that's it. You've successfully created a gaming server in Discord. From here, you can customize roles, add bots for music or moderation, create event channels, and build out your ultimate gaming hub. If this video helped you set up your Discord gaming server, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.